I'll be needing you to sign this documents.
Please hand me the pen. The pen.
Oh, okay. Here, sir. And here.
I'll take care of this one later.
I'm sad, but they're very important that you sign them.
Yes, later.
Nika? Yeah?
Don't ever dress like this in this office again. It's inappropriate.
But sir... Okay,
you can leave now.
Okay, sir.
This little twat wants to spoil everything for me. She has crossed the line this time, making me look unintelligent in front of the boss. She just drew the battle line.
What's the plan?
How dare you report me to the boss? How dare you make me look bad in front of Mr. Chris? How dare you little twat? And I'm tired of seeing your ugly looking face in that company. Am I understood? Am I understood?
You will do no such thing.
And who the hell do you think you are?
Sandra, why did you do this?
So I didn't do this. I'm as surprised as everyone is here.
Oh, shut up, you thief! Are you deaf, dumb, or both? I thought I told you I didn't want to see you ever in this office. What are you doing here? What are you looking at?
For some reason, they get attracted to me because, I don't know, maybe because I'm a fine boy, too much swag, you know, too much dollar rolling.
Emeka, if you don't have anything else important to say,
please hand me the pen. The pen.
I can see you're gradually falling for this Emeka guy, and you don't even know it.